Ever pondered about the multitude of ways to legitimately earn money online? This digital age presents a plethora of opportunities for anyone with an internet connection and a bit of creativity. But remember, while the internet is a goldmine, it's also a minefield of scams. Therefore, it's crucial to tread carefully. The world of freelancing is a vast ocean of opportunities. From writing and graphic design to web development and virtual assistance, there are numerous skills in high demand. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer act as a meeting ground for freelancers and those who need their services. Create a compelling profile, build an impressive portfolio, and remember, the key to freelancing success lies in delivering top-notch work and maintaining a positive reputation. Fancy making some extra cash during your free time? Participating in online surveys and market research might be the way to go. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research are among the reputable platforms where you can earn a little something for your opinion. Keep in mind, though, this method requires time dedication, and the earnings may vary. If you have a knack for selling, consider starting an e-commerce business. Choose a niche, set up an online store, and you're good to go. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy can help you get your products in front of millions. But remember, in the realm of e-commerce, customer service and effective marketing are king. Creating content on platforms like YouTube, starting a blog, or launching a podcast can turn your passion into profit. Building an audience and generating income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing becomes a reality with consistency and quality content. Are you an expert in a certain field? Consider creating and selling online courses or offering coaching services. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable can help you share your expertise with the world. The key to success in this area is providing real value to your students or clients. Many companies now offer remote work opportunities, a stable source of online income. Job search platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Remote.co can be your gateway to such opportunities. Remember, these jobs require specific skills and qualifications. Investment opportunities like stocks, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending can create a stream of passive income. But it's crucial to do thorough research and consider the risks. Passive income takes time to build and may not be the ideal choice for everyone. In conclusion, the internet provides varied avenues to generate income: freelancing, participating in surveys, e-commerce, content creation, coaching, remote work, and investment. However, success in these fields requires dedication, persistence, and ethical practices. Always be wary of get-rich-quick schemes and scams. A legitimate online income may take time to build, but with patience and hard work, the digital world can indeed become your oyster.